let me share you yung paano tayo kikita. Okay? Okay, so let's start, no? So let's talk about wealth, no? Yung wealth solution program natin. So, guys, we have different packages. We have starter 1 and starter 2. Kailangan mo lang bumili ng isang glutathione or spirulina at retail price. This is good for those people na gusto magbenta-benta lang ng products pero they don't wanna go deeper dun sa ways of earning natin. No? Pero if you're looking at building your own organization of distributors and users, best is you start with standard one, which is bibili ka lang ng isang berberine amounting to 5,950 for standard 2, which is isang Ultimas 10 plus amounting to 11,940. And then yung business, dalawang Ultimas 10 plus amounting to 23,800 and executive amounting to 47,760. Okay? So, retail profit natin is up to 25% discount. So, tingnan nyo sa Ultimas 10 plus, ang retail profit mo siya is 2,985. So, then we also have outright income. Ito yung benefit mo if you're going to start creating your organization. Sa starter, kung may bumili sa'yo ng spirulina, meron ka outright income of 100 pesos. Kung standard 1, you have 450 pesos. Kung standard 2, 440. Kung business, that's 1,380 or kung executive, that's 2,760 outright income. So, ibig sabihin, ang executive is 47,760 pesos. Ibulsa mo na yung 2,760 and ang ibabayad mo na lang sa hubs natin is 45,000 pesos. So, ibig sabihin, hindi ka uuwing lukaan. Meron ka kaagad na iti-take home na income. Okay? Kagandahan, upon enrollment nila, upon registration, meron ka pang additional na sponsorship bonus. Sa starter, you will get 100 pesos. Sa standard 1, 500. Standard 2, 1,000. Business is 1,500 and executive is 3,000 pesos. Tingnan nyo to So executive, meron ka ng 2,760 pesos na outright bonus. And meron ka pang sponsorship bonus na 3,000. So ibig sabihin, meron ka kaagad na income na 5,760 pesos. Okay? So sponsorship bonus varies on the account. Kung anong package ka, syempre kung executive ka, makukuha mo full amount ng sponsorship bonus. And kung starter ka, syempre lesser. Okay? Then we also have high five bonus. So, guys, tingnan nyo meron ka ng outright income, meron ka ng sponsorship bonus, dinagdagan ka pa ng company ng high five bonus. Paano yan? Nag-sponsor ka ng 5 standard 1 package, may additional 1,250 pesos ka. Kung meron kang na-sponsor na standard 2, meron kang 5,750, limang standard 2 yan. Kung business, 5 business packages ang sponsor mo, meron ka 16,875. And kung executive, 5 executive packages, meron kang additional 45,000 pesos. Tapos may libre ka pang Ultimas 10 plus. Okay? So, meron din tayo tinatawag na sales match bonus. So, basically, upon enrollment, meron kang opportunity to build a left and right sales group. Okay? So, dito, tingnan nyo assuming executive ang package mo, and there's one executive package on the left and another executive package on the right, meron kang bonus na 3,000 pesos. So, another executive on the left, another executive on the right, you will get 3,000 pesos. And kung merong pumasok ulit na executive on the left, that will be waiting to be matched. Kung may pumasok na executive package on the right, you will get another 3,000 pesos. Okay? And ito yung potential income. Guys, tingnan nyo by sponsoring 5 friends na nag-executive din katulad mo, you will get an outright income of 13,800, sponsorship bonus of 15,000 pesos, a sales match bonus of 6,000, high five bonus of 45,000 pesos, and Ultimas 10 plus of 11,940. So, ibig sabihin, ang return of purchase is 91,740 pesos. Okay? So, sales match bonus, this will vary on the package na meron ka. Kung standard 2 ka, any packages that goes under you will be based on the package na meron ka. So, ibig sabihin, kung standard 2 ka, ang maximum matching bonus mo dyan is 1,000 pesos. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, kahit anong package ang pumasok under you above standard 2, ang matching bonus mo is 1,000 pesos. Okay? So, yan, no? Tingnan nyo. Ito sa standard 1, yan ang match. Diba? So, yung potential income. Okay? So, nagva-vary yan. We can discuss this further pag naging part na kayo na nanocell. Okay? So, maximum income per week. Okay, sa starter 1 or 2, that's 5,000 pesos. Kung standard 1, that's 10,000 pesos. Standard 2 is 20,000. Kung business, 25,000 pesos. Okay, for executive, 50,000 pesos per week. But you have the opportunity to earn 500,000 pesos weekly through our pay grade solution. So, paano yan? All you need to do is be an executive account, yung status mo, and then you help your organization or your people to be also an executive account and help them rank up. And pwede kang kumita ng up to 500,000 pesos weekly through your sales match bonus. Okay, so ito yung mga breakdown. Sa pay grade 1, you can earn as much as 100,000 weekly kahit standard 1 lang account mo. Pero ang requirement is you sponsor 3 standard 1 on the left and 3 standard 1 on the right. And you work your way up, mag-rank up ka, be an executive account holder, and you sponsor 5 executive packages on the left, 5 executive packages on the right, and you can earn as much as 500,000 pesos weekly. So, ibig sabihin, you can earn as much as 2 million pesos per month. Okay, and then sales match override, we have bonuses. Okay, so as an executive, you have sales match override up to the 3rd level. Ano to mga to? Kung magkano yung kinikita nila sa sales match bonus, you can earn 5% overrides. Level 1 will be your directly sponsored people. Level 2 will be your directly sponsored ng sponsored. And yung 3rd level will be sponsored na sponsored ng level mo. Okay? So assuming you have 14 people na kumikita ng 50,000 pesos weekly at 5%, that's 2,500. So you can earn as much as 35,000 weekly. Okay? So the more number of directs na meron ka or na-sponsor ng tao, and go deep din sila, no? Nag-expand na up to the 2nd level, to the 3rd level, down to the infinite level, mas lalong lumalaki yung sales match override. Okay? So we have a new package, which is yung Elite, which is 149,000 pesos. And ang outright income niya is 5,000. Sponsorship bonus, 7,500. Kasi as much override is up to the 3rd level. May triple tweet bonus. Ibig sabihin, if you're an Elite package, mag-sponsor ka ng 3 Elite, meron ka ng triple tweet na 25. And kung nagdagdag ka pa ng 2, you get high 5 bonus, additional 145,000 pesos. Okay? So ngayon sa repurchase, along the way you will, pag nakapag-create ka ng organization, definitely these people will be users or retailers. Magbebenta rin sila ng product. Okay? So every time that they purchase a product from the business centers, you will get override. So unilevel bonus, from your 1st level down to the 12th level kung executive ka, you will get rebates, no? Unilevel bonus, which is assuming to spirulina. Up to the 6th level lang, meron ka ng pwede ka nang kumita na 195,300 per month through Unilevel. Okay? And then, we also have yung high five bonus. This will be based from all your directly sponsored na tao. Basta from all your directly sponsored na tao, may makita ang system dyan ng 5 same products na pinurchase nila, magkakaroon ka ng high five bonus. So, pwedeng 5 friends, tigi-isang product, or isang friend na bumili ng 5 products, high five ka dyan. Okay? And yung sales match bonus na repeat purchase. So, ibig sabihin, nagpe-purchase sila ng product, nag-unilevel ka na doon, kung direct mo yan, nag-high five ka na. And the sales match, for every 250 points on the left and 250 points on the right, bibigyan ka ng 500 pesos sales match bonus. And ang maximum income dito is kung magkano ang sales match bonus mo sa entry packages, yun din ang magiging maximum income mo per week sa sales match bonus sa repeat purchase. Okay? So basically, that's our ways of earning, and for you to enjoy all the um, income potential of NanoCell. Ang kailangan dyan is you purchase one package, start with, best is you start either with standard one or higher packages and be a builder, no? So ibig sabihin, you need to sponsor one friend on the left, one friend on the right, and builder status ka na, and just keep on using the product. And while you're using the product, you're sharing the opportunity to your friends. Not only yung opportunity to earn, but yung opportunity for your friends to be healthy like you. And by sharing these things, kikita ka. Okay? So, um, basically, ang commissions natin are um, tawag dito are paid out weekly. So ang cutoff is every Monday, Tuesday is the encashment period, and Thursday, ita-transfer mo yan sa, what do you call this, ATM account mo. Okay? So basically, that's our ways of earning. I hope may na-share ko sa inyo ng maayos. And ang akin lang is, for the guest na nandito ngayon sa Zoom natin, guys, please contact your sponsors or those people who invited you. Kasi I believe that yung pag-attend mo ng Zoom is not an accident. You are really meant to see and listen how beautiful NanoCell is. And definitely NanoCell will grow big. We're magla-launch pa lang tayo. And I'm looking forward for these people, yung mga kasama na natin and yung mga guests natin, that when pag lumaki na ang NanoCell is lahat tayo magkakasama dito. Okay, so at least be part of those people who, kumbaga, who made things happen and not those people who wondered how things happen. Okay, so guys, thank you, good evening, and God bless.